So we've got this device that's supposed to help keep you from pouring paint all over the outside of your paint can when you're transferring to a roller tray or to a smaller container. We're doing some detail work right now, and we're going to transfer paint into this Rubbermaid container. So we're taking the lid of the paint can off. And you see there's this groove right here that goes all the way through here. That groove goes over that so that the paint is fully contained. There we go. If you can see, the inside of it's inside the paint can, and sorry about that, that's the non-stick liner in this old paint can is starting to come off, but it's fine. So that way, when we transfer the paint into the smaller container, if you just watch, okay, lean it up slowly so the dripping stops, and there you go. No drip on the front of the container, and you can contain it all within. There you go. And then cleanup is quick and simple. Instead of ending up with paint running all over the front of your can, it doesn't get that badly in the lip, so you don't end up with a paint can that won't seal. And these are available at Home Depot, Lowe's, I think, and Amazon.com. I'll include a link below the video. They're a real time and headache saver. If you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to go back into the old catalog by clicking my channel and then clicking on the videos link. There's lots of decent stuff back there you may be interested in. And like I always say to you folks, be busy, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.